I've got a little bit of a different week this week. So first of all, I'm going to the painting and decorating show in Birmingham, and then I've got a clay open day as well to showcase our new clay products that we're going to bring in. Also in Birmingham, which is where my training centre is, and then we're running a 2-day intro Venetian plastering course. So I'm not actually on the job this week. We're doing a lot of background stuff. So I've got the painting and decorating show first, then my clay open day, and then we're running the 2-day course. So I've filmed as much as I can. I hope you enjoy it.
So this was the longest walk I have ever done to one of these shows. I don't know why the walk was that long, but it was. I think last time you managed to park at the front and go in, but they must have had something going on, some other shows and stuff, so it was literally a 10-15 minute walk. But we did eventually get in there and got looking around. It was a super hot day, so shorts and t-shirt obviously, and then we bumped into a few nice faces. I am a Q1 ambassador, so obviously the first place we went to was Q1, meet all the familiar faces, then over to Isomat to meet another one of my mates, and it was basically just a little wander around, see a few familiar faces that you know, and look at a few different tools and products. There wasn't as much there as the previous years, but it was still a good day out, and it's always nice to see familiar faces and new faces, because a lot of the time we only see people online, so it's nice to put their online names to an actual face. So we didn't actually spend as long as what I thought at the show. I only spent about an hour and a half there, and then we got going to the clay open day, but it was a nice day out. It's always good just to get out and see a few different things. And now it is time for the clay open day, so let's get into that bit.
So we've just got the clay open day ready and set up now. We've got all the really nice samples there for the students to look at, and then we're doing some live demos as well on all the different products and stuff that we're using. We've got little sample boards. We've got a lot of sample boards there that I'm going to go in through, and then we've got some drinks over there as well. So we're just waiting for everyone to turn up now. These are all the samples in different textures, and the clay stuff is just really nice and natural. It's purposely quite minimalistic. We've got all the tubs. Was from like super heavy texture. This one with a roller, literally just dipping an old roller in, rollering it on, and it just goes on super thick. You can feel how flat it is. So I'll polish this up now. This is on. This. Yeah, exactly. It gives you instant texture then, especially once it's dried out.
Once I finished up with the clay, we went back to the hotel for the night, checked in, because we always stay away when we go for Birmingham, and then had some nice food, got ready and prepped all the course stuff the next morning. So this is the morning, we're setting up all the students, getting the base coats on and stuff, and just basically running through all the bits and bats. With the course, I try and run everything super slow and over explain everything, so it might be a little bit boring at times, but just trying to get the information in there so people don't miss out, and make sure that we've got every bit of information that we can.
Do like a wet on wet design is a good idea. And then just follow it through. Yeah. We're going to get a few pulse shots. I was like, oh, I'll give that a try. You told me that a week ago. Yeah. To be fair, I was on that job. I thought I'm going to text Joe and Jamie about this, and I just never did. Because you don't end up with so much bits of paper everywhere then. Yeah. Absolutely silent now with concentration. So that is about the full week done. It was quite a long week down in Birmingham, but quite exciting. The painting and decorating show wasn't as exciting as what I thought it'd be. Usually when we've gone previous years, it has been a lot better. This year was probably the worst year that I've been to be honest, but the clay open day went really well, and the training course was always fun. It was quite a busy training course, but that is good, that's what we want. So we had my friend Joe on the course helping out as well. Usually when I have my courses, we take a maximum of 8 students on, and if we do have 8 students, we have me teaching and my friend Joe teaching as well, who is a super experienced Venetian plaster. That is Mabel, our house cat, ignore Mabel. So when we have me and Joe teaching, it's good because then the students we sort of look after 4 students each. So even though we've got a bit of a bigger group with 8 people, everyone's getting the time of day and everyone gets the attention that they need. Now, we do get a lot of people asking about the training courses, so I have put a link down below for the training course, and you can always drop me a message on Instagram or WhatsApp for any update information on the training courses. We get a lot of people coming from different countries, so if you do come in from a different country onto one of the training courses, as a little thank you from me to you, I get you a little gift set, some tools and trowels, and maybe send you a few free bits out as well, because I do really like people coming in from other countries and learning Venetian plaster and getting to teach them as well, because I do really enjoy the teaching as well as the installs. And Birmingham is a really good location for courses, because in the UK it's sort of halfway in between everywhere. So we're below Manchester but above London, so we get the people from London coming up, the people from Manchester coming in, and it's got a good airport. So anyone that is travelling international, you can just come to the airport, and then we're about 15-20 minutes away from the airport, and there's a lot of hotels and stuff. So I will be filming more on the courses. I'm going to do a full course video where we're just explaining it as we go and showing you a little bit more. But obviously I will hold a few secrets back just to show the students. As always, if you got any questions, please do let me know. I do really like replying to everyone's questions and comments. And please do not forget to share, like and subscribe, all the rest of it, because if you've not noticed, I am a bit of a technophobe and I'm not the best at all this online stuff. But I'm trying to get out there a lot more and put a lot more content out there, so hopefully it's working.